again, and today I dove into the Prism palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I freaking love it. Look at these eyes. Look at them. I went a little bit crazy. I tried to use all the colors I could. It's heavily inspired by this shirt from H&M. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. But before we get there, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, tell all your friends. I'm the best. Or at least I'm awesome. I don't know. Yeah, okay, let's go. So I'm feeling inspired by this shirt. So we're gonna do something orangey red with maybe like a green under eye and try to make it not Christmassy. How about that? All right, so we're gonna use just the Anastasia Prism palette today. My nose is running like really bad. For a transition shade, we're gonna go in with Eotd. Remember to take allergy medicine. Use this on this flat yet fluffy eyeshadow brush from what? Morphe. Check out this mirror protector. It's kind of cute actually for the iPad. Eotd transition shade. Ooh, that is pretty powdery, but nothing I haven't seen before in other palettes, so I'm not sure how terrible that is. I'll show you guys once I finish putting this color on. That was 2 dips in. There's quite a bit of fallout. But I'm not mad at it. It's blending perfectly. There's obviously pigment. Let's go in with Eden. Again, that's how much fallout there is. It's not like worse than a ColourPop shadow. And ColourPop makes one of the best pressed pigment shadows that I love in the universe, so I'm not mad. I'm also going to take this out onto the lid a bit. Tempted to do another halo eye. Not having any issues with blending. Doesn't look patchy. It's great. Alright. I can't use this mirror. Like, it's too long. I don't know. It's just a weird. We're going to go in with Saturn. This is really the color that I thought would look the best with my shirt, so that's Saturn. Use the same exact brush. Switch back out to my normal compact. And we're going to focus this on the outer corner of the eye. You can see I brought that out onto the lower portion of the eye, the outer portion of the eyelid. We're going to switch brushes. We're going to stick with the same color. This one. Use this Wet n Wild flat eyeshadow brush. There's pigment on there, girl. No question about that. I'm going to pat that on the lid. I'm actually going to go almost all the way in with this shade. I'm going to take the tip of this brush with a little Eden and blend out the top. I'm going to take a little more Eden on a fluffier brush and just blend that up into the above the crease a little bit more, just to get a little bit more of that color, like that brighter shade on. I'm going to pop Throne on top of the inner corner. That's this green shade, Throne. So pretty. Okay, and we're going to cut it with our concealer, of course. Duh, that's how we do it. Now we're going to cut it with this little e.l.f. concealer brush. Wow. Use this ColourPop concealer brush, and we're gonna wet it because we're crazy. It's very dark. I have to do something super sparkly in the inner corner, for sure. God, this color is fucking gorgeous, man. I really want to go in with Dimension. It's going to look weird, but I'm going to go in with Dimension, which is this purpley gray color. And I'm going to pat this on the lid right between those two shades. That is... Okay, and then, because why not just use every color in this whole palette? Oh, like way bright. Okay, hold on. Bring it back down. Sorry if that was too bright. Then because I want to use every color in this palette, I'm a crazy person. I'm going to go in with Eternal right here and put that in between Dimension and the reds. I'm going to use my finger again. I just cleaned it off. Cleaned off my finger. Let's go in. Yep. That is perfect in every way. I think we're going to use Lucid, even though we've used that before. But we're going to pop that into the inner corner, first with my finger, and then if I need to zhuzh it, I will. We're going to take Throne on the outer corner with a pencil brush, question mark? No, this little dude. Yeah, we'll use this M508 brush from Morphe, like a little tiny smudge brush. And I'm going to go in with Dimension, that gray-blue color. Take that into the tear duct. And I'm going to take Lucid, my finger again for now. Reinstate that in the inner corner. And a bit toward the tear duct as well. Oh, that's bright. Ooh, girl, that's bright. I like that. Okay, what do you guys think about that? It's interesting. All right, let's do a little bit of a liner. Tight line the waterline, and top liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, next, I'm almost done eyebrows. Just gonna brush them up as per usual. The little control freak. Take a little more of that peach highlight and run that along the... Oh, I dipped into gold too by accident. That's fine. A little gold and a peach highlight. Run that right there. A little bit there. I let my mascara dry before I set the face, but we're going to do some lips. This is Ember Glow, which is a H&M lip cream from their beauty collection. Oh, it's orange. Okay, I had to use a little lip liner for that. Looks better now though. There we go. Alright, just add a little tithonia lip liner. Alright, let's call it a day. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. A little more playtime with this Anastasia Prism palette, which I actually am super loving. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Come check me out on Instagram at I'm a Pluralist, Facebook at I'm a Pluralist, Twitter at I'm a Pluralist. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!